Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to fulfill your orders on Shopify. So you go on Google, type Shopify help, go on Shopify help center. When you go there, you're gonna start scrolling down. You're gonna find the option called orders. When you go to the orders, you're gonna scroll down again and you can find all different informations here and go on fulfilling orders. When you go on the fulfilling orders, you're gonna have some informations and you're gonna go and click on the last thing, fulfilling orders. There, you're gonna go for fulfill my orders manually. And when you scroll down, you will have all the necessary steps you need to do to fulfill your order on Shopify for desktop, iPhone, or Android. So choose what you have. So yeah, that would be all. And click on that subscribe button for more useful tips.